Hey guys, Tanvirvan here. So guys, today in this video I will show you how you can update your Oppo A31 to Android 10, and today's update is official update, and this update is 100% working, and this is official. Those who didn't got this update through OTA, then they can install this update by downloading. Okay, so guys, before I already show you how to update your Oppo A31, so today I'm showing the same method, but I will show you all the methods correctly, so that you could update your smartphone easily. So guys, let's see how to update. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and then hit the like button, and you can share with your friends. So guys, let's see how to download the firmware. We have to download the firmware first. So to download the firmware, you have to open a link. So the link will be in the video description. You will get the link from video description like this. Just click on the link and open it. So the link may be bit.ly link, but just click and open this. Okay, now you have to do one thing is just click on allow or deny. I'm just denying. Then you have to wait 5 seconds. After waiting 5 seconds, you will see a page like this, skip ad, and now click on the skip ad button, and it will redirect you to another page. So here you have to do is allow. Click on allow it, and then it will redirect you to a new page. So the firmware is free and you have to spend nothing. You don't need to spend nothing. Okay, so guys, here you have to wait for some time. So you have to allow up here. So after that, I will show you how you can remove this notification coming up here. So how you can remove, I will show everything. Just click on I'm not a robot. So ad may appear, cancel it and back to the previous tab. Ad may appear, cancel it and back to the previous tab again. Every time ads when the ads will appear, you have to go to the previous one. Okay, so I'm going again. So now I have to complete the reCAPTCHA. So taxi, I'm selecting the taxis, and now you have to click here to continue. Ad may appear, just cancel the tab, add tab, and then back to the main tab, and you have to wait for 5 seconds. Skip ad, click on skip ad, again ads, again skip ad, again ads, again skip ad. So 5 seconds waits here, and then click on get link. Ads appear. Now skip the ad tab, again click again. So that's the tab, and that's the main page. So you are done now. So you have to download the latest version. So how you will know this version is the Android 10? So that's the model version number. Here you can see CPH201511A37. So that's the model number. So let me show you the proof first. So that's the official website, realmeupdates.net, and if we scroll down, so here you can see that's the version number CPH201511A37. Update for Oppo A31 is based on Android 10 with ColorOS 7, and manual update size is 2996 MB. The update is stable update, rolled out to all users. So that's the update. So here you can see that's the proof, guys. That's the same model. Here you can see same model. So you can download this update. Just click on this download button, and it will start downloading automatically. Just click on download. Here you can see it has started downloading. So now I will show you how to remove these notifications from here. So these notifications may appear in your notification panel every time. So how to get rid of this? So for this you have to go to settings. Let's go to settings and scroll down. After that just go to site settings, then go to notifications. So I hope you can see notifications. Click on it and you have to clear this too. So click on it and clear and reset. Okay, again click on it, clear and reset. Okay, you're done. Now back and let's see, there is no notification. So after downloading this ROM you have to install. So guys, I already made a video about how to install Oppo firmwares in Oppo devices. I've showed you in practical how to install it. So you can check the video by clicking on the link given in the description below. Just click and watch the video and then you will understand how to install this. So guys, hope you have understand everything. If you, then please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video and don't forget to share. And this method is 100% working, and try as I do in this video. After that you can comment in the video. If it's not working, then you can give a dislike and give a bad comment. So before that you can't. So guys, try to update and then enjoy. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will upload more videos related to earning money and firmware update. So you have to watch. If you want to watch, then you have to subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned with our channel and don't forget to subscribe.